In this video, we're going to show the evolution of our Stonehenge pool over the last 7 years, from 2012 to 2019. In 2012, the pool was in a bad deteriorating condition. It needed paint, it had cracks, it leaked water, it needed structural reinforcement, and it was in a generally very bad condition. In 2013, we decided it was time to replaster, and we used a quartz aggregate combined with Portland cement, and the pool itself is a 40 by 60 pool. It holds 117,000 gallons of water and was originally constructed in 1972, making it 47 years old. The color of the plaster is determined by the color of the quartz aggregate used and mixed with a special dye to enhance the colors of the quartz aggregate. In 2014 was the year we decided new coping was in order. The coping was cracked all the way around the pool. Chunks of it were falling off into the pool and was in bad need of replacement. And we figured as long as we were doing the coping, we might as well replace the intersection of decking around the pool. So the concrete decking was torn up, and we put down new cement around the intersection of the pool. While they were tearing up the intersection, they damaged the outer section, and it was a couple years before we could get to that. But in 2015, our Teledyne heater of 43 years broke down, and we had to replace it, and we put in a new Ray Pack heater that was much more efficient, and all new pipes, plus a temperature control. In 2017, we needed new sand filters. They had been in use for 45 years, and both sand filters needed to be replaced. It was a real job because they wouldn't go through the door. We had to cut the sand filters up and take them out piece by piece. 2019 was the year of the pool. This year brought two new double gates, 4 feet wide each one, along with two new sections of fence, plus a self-latching, self-closing, lockable gate. And we put in new grass, new flowers, and the outer section of the concrete was replaced with brand new concrete all around the pool, so the complete decking is all new. Additionally, we put in a double handrail, set of steps that are ADA compliant, and it makes it easier for our elderly people and children to get in and out of the pool. We added 14 new arborvitaes, evergreens that are like cypress, along with new festive plants in between the arborvitaes, and mulch along with brick to stop the runoff. So there's our tennis courts, here's our pool house, and we're really proud of our new pool.